welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing a review on Curl Mix Wash and Go kits. So here is all the products that they sent me. They actually threw in some extra goodies, which was really nice of them. As you can see, I got a brush, a spray bottle, a satin or silk pillowcase, and a little mini travel bag. But yes, here is all the products that I will be reviewing today. I'll go a little bit more in detail on into the video. But yes, I really thought these products are super cute and I really like their packaging. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Curl Mix, so shout out to them for keeping the lights on. But yes, I am going to start off in the shower. I will be doing this whole wash and go kit in the shower as directed to. So yes, I'm starting off by just wetting my hair and getting ready to go in with the shampoo. Okay, so step one is the Pure Aloe Vera shampoo. It is clarifying and it removes build up. So I did get all of these steps in the vanilla berry fragrance. So I'm just right here showing you guys how the texture is. It's really smooth and soft. Yes, I did have some hair, so I'm just putting it on the wall. The smell of this actually smelled really good. I was super surprised at how good it smelled. They do have a different scent, which I will be showing you guys later. But I did go ahead and split my hair into two sections, and I start off by shampooing my roots. And y'all, this shampoo, like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I love this shampoo. It felt so good. Like, this was probably the smoothest shampoo I've ever used. Like, I can detangle with this. Like, it was just so smooth. I was really shocked at how much I actually like this shampoo, and I really like the lather of it. And I really like that it does have aloe vera in it, because I've never used a shampoo with that, and I know aloe vera is really good for your hair. So I really do appreciate how clarifying and how, you know, good this shampoo worked on my hair. Like, it was amazing, y'all. I really like this shampoo. Okay, so as you can see here, they do have 4 different signature scents. They have the vanilla berry, which is the one I have, the watermelon, lavender, lemon cream, and they also have a fragrance free. So there are a lot of different choices you can choose from. Okay, y'all, look at how my hair looks after shampooing. It looks so good. It did not feel stripped or nothing. It felt like really moisturized. I was super surprised at how good my hair felt from shampooing. Alright, so step 2 is this pure grapeseed conditioner. It claims to be hydrating with ultra slip. So I am going to go ahead and apply this all over my head. And as far as this texture, it wasn't like too thick and it wasn't too thin. It was like a nice medium. So as I applied this to my hair, I did notice that I did have to use a lot of it. With me, I mean, I have a lot of hair. My hair isn't super thick, but I like to have a lot of conditioner in there, and I did have to pump you know, a few more times than usual. But when it was all applied to my hair, it did feel pretty good. As far as the slip, I feel like the slip was very decent. It wasn't like, you know, like, oh my gosh, but it did have pretty good slip, and it was easy for me to run my fingers through it to finger detangle. And also when I do go in with a brush to detangle, I feel like it did let me get through it pretty good. But yeah, and it also did smell good. Like, this whole scent is really nice. I really love vanilla, so that's why I chose this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the brush that they did give to me. This is my first time using this type of brush. The back piece that you see there is detachable, so it does, like, you know, it can, you know, go throughout without it being just stiff. But I just want to go ahead and add that piece on there just so it can be steady So yeah, it was very, very easy to detangle using this brush. I really liked it. I do need to try it outside of the shower, but as far as me detangling in the shower, I feel like this brush worked really, really good. And also paired with the conditioner, I feel like it did do its job in detangling my hair really, really nicely. So I do like this brush. It's really, really big, and I think that's another reason why I like it, because I feel like I can detangle my hair quicker because this brush is a pretty nice size. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead in with step 3, which is the Pure Avocado Moisturizer, and it claims to be strengthening, and it has organic castor oil in it. So yes, right here I'm just showing you guys how it looks. I feel like the consistency was nice and very smooth. It wasn't too thick, which was cool. It was very, very silky when I first put it in my hair. As you can see, like my reaction was like, oh, okay, this is really smooth. I like this a lot, and I feel like it was very moisturizing, and it did give a little bit of definition to my curls to begin with. So I really, really like how this moisturizer applied. Yeah, so after I apply all the moisturizer to one section, I am going to twist it up just so it can be out of the way as I go ahead and apply it to all the rest of the sections. All right, so on to step 4, which is the last step, is this pure flaxseed gel, and it is also strengthening with organic castor oil as well as the moisturizer. So with this, I really, really liked how this was. It wasn't too slimy, but it did have that flaxseed texture. So applying this to my hair, it did go in really, really nice and smooth, just like the moisturizer. I feel like this was silkier than the moisturizer, which was really, really nice. I feel like this product does give like a real good amount of slip, which is nice, especially when I'm trying to define my curls. So I pretty much just did like the praying hands method, but I feel like this gel did give me some nice definition. It wasn't super duper defined as like, you know, thicker gels, but I feel like I did get some good definition with this gel, and it was nice and smooth, and it also did feel moisturizing as well. So I really liked how this applied to my hair. Okay, so here's how my hair is looking after I've applied all of the products, and I feel like it's looking really, really good. My curls look super moisturized, and they are very much defined to my liking. So I am going to diffuse my hair off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the results. Okay, so here's how my hair looks after I diffused it. I did go ahead and put it in this style. I really like having this style because I'm really not into having curls in my face anymore. So I like to put these bobby pins in. But yes, y'all can see the definition is definitely there. As far as the hold of this gel, I was surprised. It actually had a nice hold. Like, it wasn't really soft. It actually had a slight crunch, but it wasn't to the point where my hair didn't have any body at all. But yes, my hair looked really good, nice and full, and super defined. And it did feel very moisturizing as well. So I really like this wash and go kit. If you guys are interested in getting it, I do have a link down below that you can go directly to get you some of these products. But yes, I really like how my hair turned out. As you can see, I was vibing out in the bathroom. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you again to Curl Mix for sponsoring it. And yes, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.